Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start on the host, enable Hyper-V and confirm CPU virtualization because nested VM access relies on it. Once done, install the latest GPU drivers so the host recognizes the card. Record the device instance ID. Next, prepare for discrete device assignment. Place the GPU into DDA mode by unbinding host drivers and disabling any host display usage. This frees the device for exclusive VM assignment. Make sure to reboot if required. Then verify the GPU no longer. You now perform the middle steps with PowerShell. Shut down the VM first so device attachment is safe. Locate the GPU using getPNP-device or getVM host assignable device to capture the location path and instance ID. This is critical for accurate assignment. Then, dismount the GPU from the host and register it for assignment. Use dismount VM host assignable device and add VM assignable device to attach it to your VM. After assignment, adjust VM firmware and memory to meet vendor requirements. Because improper settings, you finish by booting the VM and installing the GPU drivers inside the guest, since the guest needs the vendor stack to use the card. Once drivers install, confirm the device appears in Device Manager and run a GPU utility to validate compute or graphics functions. If things fail, make sure to check VM event logs and driver conflicts. Then, as a key troubleshooting step, detach the GPU, rebind the host driver, reboot the host, and repeat the DDA assignment to eliminate driver or binding errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.